So hello amazing people. So today I'll be bringing something new to us. If you have ever considered making a Ofada rice or Ofada sauce, one way or another you just have the craving and you're like, hey, where can I get it? Where can I get it in Port Harcourt? Can I get it in Lagos? Who will help me get it and all that? Where exactly do they sell Iru wherever you are? If you're Yoruba, you find yourself in a state whereby you go to the market and you cannot just see Iru because it's not possible around here. You can only find it in superstores. That's if they do have it. Then in certain kind of states where you have a higher population of Yorubas there, they do buy the Iru. You can find it in the markets. But when you find yourself in a place like Abia State where you barely find Iru, when you say Iru, they're like, what exactly are you talking about? So if that is your case, well, the answer is here now because we can actually make our own Igbo Ofada sauce. Sorry, my apologies to our Yoruba brothers. Your Iru is amazing. But in a case whereby somebody has this thing on his or her taste buds and cannot in any way get the Iru to make the Ofada sauce, well, there's good news. I have news flash for you. You can make your Ofada. You can make your Ofada and you would really, really, really enjoy it. So this is what the vlog is all about. So let's stay tuned as we take our journey into the market to get our Igbo Ofada sauce done. See you in the kitchen. As a matter of fact, we're going to go local this time. I'm going to use firewood for this process. So when I say see you in the kitchen, I mean see you outside with the firewood and the fire outside. So I know I'm going to enjoy every bit of this. See you in the kitchen.
This is what you need for Ofada sauce. Green. We're going to be buying the rest. See the red one. See the red one. In case you haven't seen how pepper is grown.
We need the seed, Abby. We need the seed.
The one with chicken.
When you find yourself in a situation whereby gas is on the hike and you just cannot do anything about it, or you can do just little about it, I mean, you'll be very, very privileged to have a place where you can cook with firewood. And firewood cooking can be very, very tasty. My sister, since I am so privileged to have a place where I can use my firewood comfortably, like my old mothers or my ancient mothers, where they will just sit down in front of their kitchen, their firewood, and cook what they want to see. Let me tell you, these days it can be very, very difficult. You stand and you're cooking on the gas. Are we actually created to be? I mean, our original African way to stand and be cooking on the gas. It can be very tiring. Your legs are aching and all this. Today, we are doing it the normal and the local way. Meanwhile, it's been fun using the firewood. So since I have the opportunity, I'm really enjoying every bit of this exercise. You can actually use your gas when you're doing this. That's if you're cooking this on the gas, but I just prefer doing this way, the local way. So this is a substitute for the normal Iru that you would have used if you want to make your Ofada stew. And this is called Okpei. The Northerners might call it dawa dawa, but I think the process is different. I really cannot tell, but this is Okpei. It's different, right? Okay. Dawa dawa is a little different from Okpei and it's made out of locust beans.
It's flat.
And it's flat. So at this point, I think I've gotten what I want. I can perceive the smell. Until you perceive the smell, then you haven't gotten what you want. So if you have come this far, it means you like the content. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let's grow this channel together. And this is the way you can show me some love, people.
This is actually a good discovery because when she told me she was going to use okwe, I'm like,
How on earth?
like it can never be like Ofada. But man, after tasting this, it's so nice. I like it. It's perfect. I don't even want to compare it to Ofada, right?
It would be right to compare it.
Yes.
But it has its own unique.
It has its own
very
unique
wonderful
taste. You wouldn't miss Iru while eating it. So if you don't have, you see, we went around the whole of Aba looking for Iru. Went to till the extent that we went to Marketplace supermarket, Market Square supermarket. Yes, we did not find Iru. So at the last minute, we just thought, why don't we? She just remembered that she has used it once. So I was like, this can never be like, but try it out. Try it out. Okwe actually has two grades. There's the one they sell for 30 naira, and there's the one they sell for 50 naira, or 3 for 100 naira. Please don't ever buy the one of that 10 naira. I think it's the good one is called Anambra Okwe. I think it's called Anambra Okwe.
In order to make people, so many people,
I tend to make the ones of the lower grades.
Okay. Thank you for the meal.